Hi everyone, it's Winston back again with an origami tutorial, and today we'll be making a origami face mask, a different type of model compared to the last one. It seemed very popular, so I thought I'll do another type of origami face mask. And again, this is sort of more decorative. You can make it into a proper mask to wear if you use fabric, for example, because wearing paper for a long time is not really comfortable, no matter how cool it does look. And yeah, let's jump straight into it. So here I've got is a square piece of paper, not origami paper, because I don't have something this size besides 15 by 15. So what I did was using like regular A4 piece of paper, I did that diagonal fold thing and cut off the excess at the end, and that's how you make your square piece of paper using that simple trick. So yeah, to start off with, we're going to fold it in half both directions, vertically and horizontally. Awesome. And then we're going to unfold it, and the next thing we're going to do is fold the top and bottom edge to the center crease. Awesome. And then once we've done that, we are going to unfold our model and flip it to the other side. Once we're on the other side, taking the middle crease here, we're going to pinch it and fold it to this top crease. As we do so, we line it up and then press down, which will create a fold underneath it. Awesome. And then unfolding that, we're going to repeat on the bottom here. We are going to pinch and then fold it to the center crease line. So lining it up again, and then we are going to press down to create a crease fold underneath, and then unfolding it again. So now with our many creases, taking this second one here that's right out a valley fold, we're going to fold it up like so, and pinching it again, we are now going to fold it down on this top crease. Cool. Like so, and this time we're going to keep it creased. So then next fold we want to do is grabbing this value fold that we made, we are going to again fold it into a mountain fold, putting our hands underneath it and following along to recreate that fold. Cool. And then what we want to do is fold it up to this fold here. So we're going to crease and then fold down. And once we do that, we want to, so once we've creased that, we want to unfold it, and we form this small little crease here, which again, we want to form it into a mountain fold. So again, putting your hands beneath. I'm going to pinch, and then we are going to fold down to this kind of faint fold here that we can see. I'm going to pinch and fold down, press it and keep it folded this time. And then the last bottom crease here, we're going to pinch and fold up to this crease here. pressing down. Awesome. So now that we've done that, what we want to do is flip this model around, and we are going to fold the top and bottom edges to the edge of these folds. So bottom one we're going to fold up, and then the top one we're going to fold down to this crease here. Sweet. And then the next step we want to do is we're going to fold these two sides here towards itself, like this, and we want to do the same on the other side. Awesome. So then if you flip it on the other side, this is our mask. And yeah, I've also made other ones because this time I had to really practice getting the folds right. Are kind of confusing. So here's on the small 15 by 15 as tester and the big ones. And I put sellotape on the back one here just to demonstrate that you can unfold it out like a proper mask, and then you can collapse it back down again. So then next step, what you need to do is to actually add the string, ribbon, or whatever you want to actually make it a proper mask instead of just folded piece of paper. And you can use whatever you want. I'm going to use some elastic and do some different types of ways to attach it on right now. And then putting away the models that I didn't add string to, I came up with two ways. So on this small model one, I used sellotape at the back to just secure it down so that I could actually loop through a piece of string through underneath here down to the top. So this is a very simple one, and then I tied up the ends. So yeah, if you then cut off the small parts, you could probably like tuck this in through the small gap like so. Lengthwise you could fold this like however much you want, but yeah, that just hides away those loops and you get a really cute simple mask like that. My other way was to staple some holes on the ends, use different straps here because this is a bigger one and look really awkward with those tiny strings. And then yeah, what I did was just loop it through and then staple it down. Staples on the wrong side. I should have stapled it the other way around so the backs aren't shown like this. And yeah, so this all opens up as well like so and collapses back down nicely. So yeah, this was really awesome to make. Like usual, I hope you all enjoyed it. Write a comment down below what you thought like this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other sorts of arts and craft video I post on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.